Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a Ceridian Dayforce tutorial. For beginners, it's going to be a step-by-step guide. We're going to cover the essentials for beginners. You're going to learn how to navigate the system effectively and optimize your HR processes with ease. Now, first let's understand the Dayforce login and dashboard. So you can go ahead and access Dayforce with your credentials and make sure you get the quick and secure entry there. Start managing your HR tasks from here. Now you have the intuitive dashboard that offers you a clear overview. You can view the key HR metrics instantly here, and if you want you can even customize this to your needs. And you can also go ahead and navigate the employee time and tracking and scheduling. So there's also the aspect of time tracking here. You can easily track employee hours, ensure accurate records for payroll, and even you can schedule employees. You can create and manage these schedules. You can optimize workforce allocation, basically helping you to avoid conflict. And there's also the aspect of the approval process. You can streamline the time off requests, and even automate approvals in certain cases. And it also helps you to process payrolls and manage compensation because payroll is automated. This increases accuracy, reduces manual errors significantly, and it can also help you administer compensation plans to ensure fair and equitable pay, and also helps you to stay compliant with the tax laws, because Dayforce actually updates automatically depending on new tax laws in the country. They also have advanced features, for example, reporting and employee self-service. So you can also go ahead and generate custom detailed reports, gain insight into workforce data. And this also, empowers employees to manage their data. It basically reduces the HR workload because the employee is manually putting in this data for you. And there you go, guys. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope that this guide, provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.